one of the best exercises you can do to improve your shoulder mobility is a strap behind the back or fingers interlaced behind the back. So first variation, you're going to get a strap. You're going to hold it like this, about shoulder width distant, palms facing your body. Bring your elbows toward one another. Make sure your shoulders are pulled up, back, and down. So you want to pull them up, back, and down to put them in the right position. And then reach your arms away from your back. Keep your body neutral here, or keep your chest neutral here. And then we're just going to go into a forward fold like this while squeezing your arms away from your back. You can also work on pulling your chest forward. Our goal here is to work on squeezing your arms as far away from your back as you can and just getting a nice stretch through your chest. You also will feel strengthening through your upper body, so you're going to feel your upper back working as you squeeze the strap further away. You can also do this from a standing position, so you don't necessarily have to go into that forward fold position. Just when you go into the forward fold with this, it helps, gravity is on your side, so it helps you go a little bit deeper. But you can also do this just from a simple standing position here, like this. And this one I would hold for a minimum of 1 minute. So if you hold it for 30 seconds, you get a good stretch, you'll get good muscle engagement. But hold it for a minute or longer, maybe even 2 minutes, and that's going to help you get more significant results.
Thanks for joining me for this workout today. Make sure you subscribe. We put out lots of videos like this on a very regular basis. And to get full access to all of my workouts, my programs, tutorials, and more, head to manfulyoga.com, sign up for a 7-day trial. It's just $1. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.